All right, guys, so here they are, installed, new LASFIT weather mats. The difference I found with these is they have a lot more grip and a lot more texture all along here. All of this is all grippy, rubbery texture. And this area here is texture, but not as grippy as this area here, because that's where you drive at. So let's look at the back here. You can see how it looks on the back. Nice and grippy, same material, still flow through the back as well. Lots of grip if someone were to sit behind me. It's in full recline mode when I exit, so that's why the seat is that far back. But let's take a look here at the trunk area. Really windy day out. But here's what the trunk area looks like. You've even got a little tab right here for when you're lifting it up, because under here there's another weather mat, the other portion that goes down in there. So it really looks nice. And we'll come around to the passenger side here. You can see this is what it looks like. Again, very grippy. I wonder how this comes across on camera. It looks like little dots to you guys, but that is all grip and it feels really good. Really good. And I'll give you another view of the back. More space to look at over here, but again, super grippy. Nothing but good quality right here when it comes to what the mats actually look like up close and personal. Really good. I like that. That's one piece. And then the last piece is actually in the front area. And that part is the only part it's like the rear where it's not really grippy, because you don't need too much grip for those areas. But if you look at the front area here, it's just nicely done. Very nice. Smoother texture, but still really, really nice. Gotta love what LASFIT is doing with their mats. I think they've made some serious upgrades, because I've had LASFITs for years, and I like how these are coming out nowadays. They're doing much better. Quality's getting better over time. Ooh, super windy out, folks. Super windy. But there it is, man. I've been enjoying the car still. Really, really, really loving it. For the time, I think I've had this car for about a month and a half or so now, and it's just been really good. I've got close to 400 miles now. I have several cars, so that's why this one only has 400 miles, and I was waiting for my DV plates to come in, and now that they've come in, I'll start driving it more so I can take the toll road and stuff like that. But overall, wow, I love the profile of this car. Love the angles on it. Really nice, solid vehicle, and it just helps to have some good weather mats, because where I live at, typically, right now we're in the month of April, so it's raining a lot, and you're gonna need some weather mats, something you can just rinse off and wipe it down and put it right back in, and that's what the LASFITs are known for. There's other companies that have weather mats, but I just really like LASFITs. I really like the way they do theirs. So there you have it, man. Quick video. LASFIT mats are in. And hope you guys enjoyed. Can you hit that wind is something strong. It was 90 degrees and now it's 50 degrees with severe wind and colds. It's crazy. The things we do. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.